Do you know when you feel the urge of giving up the strongest? It is actually when you're just about to reach your goal. And for the people who have only begun their journey, like my own self, and we are actually seeing no results at all, does that mean we are going to give up? If we actually do give up, then we would be counted on the people who have actually failed in their life because they gave up, and that's what separates us from them. That even though we see rejection, that doesn't mean that we are going to give up, because our journey has only begun and there's a long way to go still. And do you not want to see what happens when you actually do not give up? Things are not going to look so pleasant right in the beginning. They're going to look extremely messy, and we wouldn't be accepted by anybody because we're doing something that not everyone would appreciate. But if we actually keep on moving, keep on doing what we are doing without thinking about what anyone at all might think about us, then do you not think we are going to reach there? Rejection is going to be there. Feeling rejected is normal. Having to face rejections is normal, because that is always going to be there. We have to start avoiding it, because it means nothing. When we actually reach our goals, then it's gonna mean nothing. The same people who are rejected today would be accepting us tomorrow when we actually do become successful. And our success is only dependent upon us, and how long are we willing to just feel bored for? Because it is going to feel boring, to be honest. Yeah, it's always going to be feeling boring, because when you are just trying to do something great, in the middle your dreams might excite you so much, but the process always feels boring. And when that's actually happening, you know that you're in the right path, you're doing what is right, and all that you have to just be doing is keep on moving, keep on going, and not stop the work, because who knows what might happen tomorrow. And when you actually do become successful, uh, people would say that it's luck, because they haven't seen the journey. They haven't seen the moments that you spent being anxious about what might happen in your future, because things are not working out in the present. But if you just are persistent enough and you decide on just sticking with the thing that you are with and not give up on your dream, then do you really think you would not be successful? Ask your own self. It is possible. There exists nothing that's impossible. Anything that you could imagine, you could achieve, only if you are persistent enough to keep on working on it. So that was it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really grateful that you've been able to take out your precious time into watching this video. See you soon again.